In this video, we're gonna take a look at Obsidian, Evernote, and Notion to see which one is the best between these three. So as you can see, Obsidian is perfect for personal markdown-based knowledge management. Evernote is great for quick note capture and web clipping, and Notion excels as a collaborative all-in-one workspace. Now here we have the pros and cons for each one of them. So we're gonna start with Obsidian, local files, backlinks, plugins. Evernote, we have easy note capture, web clipper, and Notion flexible templates, collaboration. Now the cons: Obsidian, steeper learning curve, Evernote, limited collaboration, and Notion can get complex, slow on large data. Now simply choose Obsidian for personal vaults, Evernote for simplicity, and Notion for teams. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.